This short video will teach you how to use the Browne Library's Primo to look for books and ebooks, articles, digital media, and more. Start by signing in as a Judson Eagle with your My Judson username and password. Pick important words that describe your topic and type them into the search box. You can also search with the title or an author's name or both. As you type, options for Primo's search slots will appear. We're going to use the combined search, which contains all of the options. Once you get a list of results, use the Refine Results menu to create a more specific search. If you're on a smaller screen, such as a phone, the menu will be under an icon that looks like a funnel. There are many ways you can combine filters. For example, to find ebooks, choose Available Online, and under Resource Type, choose Books. Or to find recent, full-text, scholarly, peer-reviewed journal articles, choose Available Online and peer-reviewed journals. Under Creation Date, limit to the last 10 years. If you want to be able to do searches with different keywords but keep the filters that you set, click Remember All Filters. Until you sign out of Primo or close your internet browser, you won't need to reset the filters again. Browse the results and click the titles that look helpful. I like to scroll down to the bottom of the screen because I like to read the item's description or abstract to find out more about it. The listed subjects can help you determine if the item is about your topic too, or you can use them for other searches. Primo compiles information about items from a lot of different databases, catalogs, and websites. You'll need to use the links in the middle of the screen to be taken to the items or to request forms so you can get them. As you find items, you can pin them to your Primo account. Retrieve them again later by going to the Pin in the top menu by your name. Primo can help you cite your sources in APA, MLA, or other citation formats if you click on Citation. You can export Primo records to RefWorks too. All Judson students, faculty, and staff have access to RefWorks. There can be mistakes with automatically generated citations, so please double-check them for proper capitalization and punctuation. Another nice feature of Primo is that you can copy and paste permalinks into documents or eLearn so that items are easily retrievable. In fact, if you do a search and copy the QR code near your name, the link that you copy will run the exact same search the next time you click on it. Finally, there are links in Primo for Ask a Librarian or Did a Link Fail to make it easy for you to contact library staff. That's it for this video. Please watch the library's other videos to learn more about library resources and research. Thanks for watching.